So in here I want to give you some tutorial for beginner programmer use Tailwind CSS, and I want to give you some how to use Tailwind CSS for beginner, and I will make some project in here. Okay, stay in this video ya guys. Okay guys, so now in here let's start our coding. But before our start our coding, we should turn on the terminal first. So how to turn on the terminal? So the first is we should go to package.json. I think I already explained this before. And then we go to terminal. For turn on the terminal, we can write npm run dev and enter. Okay, and in here it's already turned on, yeah. And after that, let's start our code. So in here I just want to make a hero section and navbar. So at the first is we make navbar first, but before that we should connect the CSS. If not connect, it will be cannot. So the first is we can choose the link CSS one, and we change the name in ref. It's like this. This is the root slash asset. Oh, sorry. Public and output. And then after that, we gonna make navbar. So at the first we should write nav. This is element nav, and then return and div. We need element nav and div, and in here we add class in nav. It's bg primary. It's for background. Oh, sorry. It's bg teal because we want to use the green one, and then we should use padding. I will use padding, and then flex justify between. Then in here we should show our result, like this. This is the navbar, and yeah. The next is we should add the image. We add the logo in here, like this. Yeah, so this is logo. Why I give padding and flex and this file between? It's because for the logo not stick with the top part. Okay, and then we add the company name h2, and the name is start, and we add class in here is ms2 text white. It's for make the text change the color to be white, and then text XL for the make the bigger, and it's not being so yeah, we just add the class again in div, and we can use flex for make it right. Yes, it will be like this, and yeah, and under the div we can add the image. We can asset, and vector. It's the image, guys. It's for this, okay. And yep, the next is we made the hero section. So the first is we can add section element section. And in here we can add the image. And then after that we can add div. Oh no. Okay, we can add the div element, and we can add h1 for routings word, and then h1 again. We can use lorem 6, yes, like this. And then we can use p for the description. We just use lorem 20. I think it's enough. Yeah. But I think it's too much, but it's okay. And then after that we made the button. Yes, we made the button. The text is explored. Nah, all of done already being like this, and we add the class. In the first is we add in the section element, we use px3. It's for like not very sticky with the right and left side. And we use padding top 8, and we use begin primary again. I mean begin teal. If we not use padding top, it will be like this, guys. I will show you. Oh no, I mean, yeah, but it will be like in here, it will be white, not like this. Okay. And then the next is we can add class in welcome. The first is we use margin top because it's very sticky with the image. Margin top we only use 4, and then we use uppercase 1 and text white for the mic. The text is white, and we use font bold and text large and tracking widest for make it like there is a gap in here. Okay, and the last is we use I think it's not it. Okay, only like this, and we add again. We use text white. We add the text white. Margin top 5. Text 2XL or make it bigger, and yeah. And the element P we can use class again, but it's more shorter than H1 before. It's only until 3. Text white and text small. Okay, done. And the next is we should make the button one. Oh my god, I think it will be the harder. The class 8 will be very long, but it's okay. We try. So at the first is we add margin top 8 and background we use white color, and then heading vertical, yes, it's PY2, and we use PX6 in here, but it's still ugly by the way. And we use rounded for make it round, but not for make it not sharp. I mean, okay, we just use the medium one, and the next is it's still ugly, guys. It's cannot touch. And next is this hover background dark. Sorry. I mean background black. Oh no, I think we only need the gray one. We use the 700, and yeah, we hover again. Text white, and it's already feel like this. I think it's made dark again. Oh no, why it's like this? Wait, nah, we're good. And we need shadow for make it real, and we need transition for make it smooth. Yes, I think it's theme, but themes doesn't care. I think we don't need that. Okay, I think that's all. I just want to make you some color section and how to use TAILWIND CSS for beginner.